In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit Solana to Axiom Pro. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, create an Axiom Pro account in case you don't have one yet. And there's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. And if you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Now, from here, once you're logged into your Axiom Pro account, what you want to do to deposit Solana is just click on deposit over here. And then from here, you'll get your Solana deposit address. Now, my current balance, as you can see, is 0 Solana, and I'm going to deposit some right now to show you how to do it. So first, as I said, deposit. And over here, it says deposit address, and you want to copy this deposit address because this is the address we're sending Solana to. Now, after that, you want to go to one of your wallets where you hold some Solana. So for me, over here on my Phantom wallet, I have a little bit of Solana. So what you have to do over here is just go to your wallet. It can be either Phantom, MetaMask, Binance, Coinbase, whatever it is. And you hold some Solana on there. You want to click on send. And after that, you want to click on Solana. So here you want to paste in this address over here. So you just want to paste it in and make sure it's the exact same address. And after that, you want to type in the amount. So let me just send over just a small amount of Solana over here. So 0.01. And then you want to click on next. And after that, you want to click on send or whatever it says on your exchange or the basically wallet you're using. So I'm just going to click send over here. And it's gonna say, there we go, sent. And as you can see, I now have a little bit of Solana that I just sent to myself on my wallet over here on Axiom. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.